On the mini roundabout, we stopped because it was a close view. Perfect. I think because it was a close view. You lean your body forward a little bit, that's perfectly good as well.
Yep.
Now, once you have made your mind up, what you think was very good, you always checked again and there was a car was coming flying down, so you stop again. Perfect thing to do. Now, as you were turning left, joining this new road, now you went wide.
Yeah.
Now I may give you benefit of doubt because there was a silver car parked right on the edge. Perfectly thing to do. So it was a good thing. If this car is not parked up over there, it should be more close to the curb. Now everything is okay so far. I understand what you did. But when you turn, did you feel you lose your control a little bit?
Yeah.
You did, isn't it?
Did I not turn it quick enough?
So you try to accelerate that much more faster rather than accelerate steering. So you're supposed to be doing more steering control, less speed.
Yeah.
But as you turn, those parked car which you went wider, how much clearance you need to give from the side to the examiner? What is the examiner want you to give them? How much space?
A door length.
Well done. You did so well, but when you start passing that parked vehicle, do you think you give yourself a door's length?
No.
You were basically just about that close to mirror basically. So everything was spot on. You could have just gone a bit more to the right as long as nobody's coming. So always remember that is important. A lot of people, they do get failed for this because they're looking ahead. Now you just spotted a parked car, but you also have to think about the clearance. You have to give a meter clearance as well though. Now if any car would have been coming down, so as you were turning, then you need to stop before that parked car, but give yourself a 1 car's length.
Right, okay.
So you can go around easily. Remember that this is called clearance and meter though, yeah?
Right, okay.